Learn how to create a courier tracking website. Learn how to create a shipment tracking website using AI. Now, this is the kind of tracking site we can create with AI. You can see how clean, how neat with the image it is, with the logos and everything, with the features and all that. So you can use AI to create a beautiful website like this in 5 to 10 minutes time and connect it to the backend now. So all I need to do here, and I just click here on track and I will enter the tracking code. Okay. So I'll just click here on track shipment. So it's going to open it. So for instance, now this is the tracking information. So currently the item is at this location, it's moved here, it moves here and all that. So you just control that at the back end. This is the shipper's information, the receiver's information, all that. This is the item that is being sent for tracking. So this is the current tracking location to show where the tracking item is. And I can just come here and generate receipts too. It also has another backend like this too. You can see that the item, it was in Italy, it was in Germany, it was in US, just like DHL. And this is the current location at Google Map. So how do you use AI to create this kind of website? All you need to do is to go to your AI builder. Let's say you go to your AI builder like Google AI Studio. That is free to build it. And if I just type randomly that create a shipment and courier tracking website, it's going to create it, but it's going to be something like this. Now, if you look at this one that it's created, you can see that it's not professional at all. In fact, you can't use it. You can see that it's so generic. There is nothing here. This tracking function is not working and all that. So you can see that it's not professional. So in order for you to create a professional tracking website like this one, that it's so clean, that has audio functions, I have live tracking buttons for WhatsApp, Telegram, or any other live tracking you want to put in your tracking page, and also connect it to your back end for people to explore their trackings, locations, and all that. In order for you to do that, all you need to do is to get a master prompt. Now, what this master prompt does is that we have coded everything that you put on your Google development, on your AI development platforms. Now, if you just type random thing on AI, definitely it's going to create rubbish for you. They call it GIGO, which is garbage in and garbage out. You understand? So you have to have this master prompt and you code it, put it in your website where it will now generate all this content for you. Like for instance, I can go to my master prompt and change all this content to my unique content. I can change this. Let's say I'm building for let's say I'm building for a company. I'll put their company name here. I'll change the address. All these things is in the master tracking code that will be given to you if you join our AI vibe coding community, where we are training thousands of people on vibe coding, and our trainings are practical, no long story. Get your master prompt, put it on your AI developer, download your website, upload it on your free hosting or your paid hosting site, and your website is ready. Very, very fast and easy. So you don't waste time. We don't explain too much explanation and all that there. So all I need to do now, if I want to create something like this or better than this, or change the colors and everything, change the design patterns and everything, all I need to do is just to copy this master prompt now. Now, if you join our community, we are going to give you enough of this master prompt, and we also teach you prompt engineering, where you can now code this master prompt yourself. You don't need to be a developer, you don't need to know code, nothing. You just create your master prompt and go to AI development website like lovable.dev, or you go to Google AI Studio and you just paste it. Your website is ready. You just download it, upload it into your hosting account. Very easy. And your entire website will be ready in a jiffy. So in order for you to join this community, all you need to do is just type Courier in the comment section. I'm going to send you the link of this website, or probably you visit touristschool.com/AI. It's going to take you to where you join our vibe coding AI community in Africa. So the community is so large, it's on Telegram and it's on WhatsApp, where we share tools, we share master prompts, we give you all these prompts, we give you audio tools, audio AI coding tools and all that, even plus image generations and all that. So, in order for you to join the community,